Today we're working on a 2009 Nissan Altima push to start automatic transmission 2.5 4-cylinder. As you can see in Nissans with push to start, you have to access a lot of your wiring at the what's called the BCM, the body control module, which is directly behind the instrument cluster, or this is where the instrument cluster was. I've already taken it out. See, it's right here now. You can actually leave the instrument cluster connected right here and just let it hang there for a few minutes. This wire harness right here is for the push to start button, which is right here. I've taken that bezel off and put it right there on top of the dash. And then you can also disconnect, or not disconnect, but kind of remove the OBD2 connector to get access to your other wiring. As you can see, wrapping it up here, finished connecting everything. Only thing left to do now is to connect it around. As you can see, the BCM is put back in place and everything like before. 09 Nissan Altima push to start 2.5 4-cylinder. Remote start works perfect in this. Most dealers, most installers won't even touch these cars, but at Greater Auto Accessories we do them all the time. Nissan and Infinitis have what's called secure takeover. So when you get in the vehicle and you get ready to drive it, you do just that. Get in, hit the brake, and you can shift it and you can drive it. Yep. And there you have it. So if you have a vehicle with push to start, call today and get your vehicle equipped. Have a good one.